Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to introduce to one of the best sales and digital marketing platforms. This is something that will help businesses, digital marketing agencies, and even freelancers. I would say it's profitable and effective. You can do all your sales and digital marketing activities with an automated system. If you are a beginner and you want to start your first digital marketing agency, or you are an established digital marketing agency and looking for ways to scale up your business 10x swiftly and efficiently in a systematic manner, then you gotta watch this video entirely till the end. Alright, hello guys, welcome to digitalrnk YouTube channel. I'm Nandakishore. So in this video, I'm gonna show you an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that's getting more popularity with its excellent offerings all under one roof. If you're new around here, then please consider subscribing to digitalrnk YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to all so that you won't miss out on any of my latest video updates. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, the software that I'm talking about is GoHighLevel. They are kind enough to sponsor this video. Let me give you a quick overview of GoHighLevel and its offering, and why I think it's one of the best all-in-one sales and digital marketing solutions platform for your online business. It is a comprehensive solution for sales and marketing agencies, so you can take the advantage of GoHighLevel sales funnel, capture leads using its landing pages, survey forms, calendars, inbound phone system, and more. Nurture, automatically message new leads via voicemail, forced calls, SMS, emails, Facebook Messenger, and more. Close. Use GoHighLevel built-in tools to collect payments, schedule appointments, and track analytics. The cool thing that I like is GoHighLevel offers you to white label it and resell it as your very own software solution. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Create membership. With GoHighLevel's membership feature, you can create full-featured courses, free and paid, with unlimited video hosting and unlimited users. How it all started. GoHighLevel was built and powered by an agency focused on the traditional issues the agency faced. Once they found success, they rolled out this platform called GoHighLevel to the market to help other marketing agencies solve the same issues. Also, you get a chance to network with other successful marketing professionals using GoHighLevel for your business or agencies. GoHighLevel provides multi-channel and 24/7 worldwide support to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Oh, that's a lot of options to manage your sales and digital marketing activities under one platform. Great, isn't it? If you are excited as I am, then I want you guys to just click the very first link in the description box and sign up for 14-day free trial, test it and experience it for yourself. All right, let's see the features of GoHighLevel. If you're running a digital marketing agency, then you must be spending a lot of money on many sales and digital marketing tools. However, with GoHighLevel, you're going to spend about $297 per month for all the tools integrated with one platform. That's why GoHighLevel says it's an all-in-one sales and digital marketing solution. What I mean is you will be spending more money on each of these platforms like HubSpot, ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Calendly, Birdeye, Teachable, and more for multiple activities for your businesses like CRM, sales funnel, website builder, email marketing, and more such tools. So if you're getting agency access, which means it allows you to resell it all these features to your clients or agents. Let's say you want to run an agency and provide all these features to your clients or agents, then you can actually white label it with your own brand name and resell it, and this is called SaaS. It stands for Software as a Service. So let's see inside the GoHighLevel platform and its interface. Alright guys, we are inside the GoHighLevel agency dashboard. As you can see here, there is no GoHighLevel. You can see it's completely white labeled with my brand. Here you can see all the stats of your agency. Right. Let's navigate to sub accounts. So this is where you can create an account for your clients or agents. If you want to create sub accounts, just go here and select a snapshot. Account snaps are basically the template bundle of different verticals that GoHighLevel has created to help your clients get started with their business. You can create your own snapshots or import them from other agencies. So I'm going to quickly go here and switch to my sub account. So under the dashboard, you can see the opportunities, pipeline value, conversion rate, funnel, and manual actions. If you go to conversations, here if you connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts, then all the conversations are pulled up here and you can resume the conversations here. That's pretty awesome. You can save a lot of time instead of logging onto each of those platforms and check the messages. So once you have integrated your social platforms to GoHighLevel, then it's more efficient and convenient to manage all under one platform. Calendars, here you can see all the upcoming bookings, and if you want you can actually go ahead and create a new appointment. The greatest features of GoHighLevel is the opportunities. If you see here, the new leads are coming in and you can take the next steps to close the deal. If you notice here, this is called the pipeline of your sales process. You can select and move it to different stages of your sales funnel. So the new leads are coming in from multiple sources. You can take actions by clicking on this communication button, either by message or by calling the lead directly. Honestly, I'm so excited to do this review video today. And guys, GoHighLevel has sponsored this video to show you this amazing sales and marketing platform. So if you go to contacts, once the new leads come in under the opportunities, automatically it will create a new contact of that particular lead under that contact list. What you can do in GoHighLevel. I'm going to show you what are the things you can do with GoHighLevel to scale up your business or agency. Now if you go to marketing, here you can see the social planner option, which lets you connect your social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram and plan or schedule your social media posts and post them directly onto the respective platform. Email campaigns, then we have an email where you can start an email campaign by using the existing campaigns, or you can choose from the template library. You can see we have lots of templates to choose from in different categories. Go ahead and explore and use the one which you wanted to use for your email campaign. Templates, you can create your own text and email templates from here and use it for your text or email based campaigns. Then we have automation. Basically, you can create and manage workflow to automate your business processes, improve efficiency and increase conversions. Take advantage of this workflow to streamline or automate your business process. Honestly, this is one of the most effective features of GoHighLevel. For instance, you are creating a webinar and you want your participants to register for your webinar, and upon completion of the registration process, instead of you creating and sending the emails and messages manually, you can set the action and trigger and you can sit back and relax. Your workflow will do the rest of the things for you. Wow, isn't it a great feature, guys? Just comment down below what is your opinion. Also, do you want to experience all these features that I have shown you up until now? Then go ahead and click on the very first link in the description box below and sign up for a 14-day free trial. Try it for yourself. So I have opened a sample workflow to show you guys how this workflow works. Your visitors clicked on the registration link, entered their basic details in the registration form and submitted. What's next? You can add a new workflow trigger here. Let's say they should get an email with a welcome message and links to join the webinar or something like that. And all these automation, you can set it once and GoHighLevel automation does the rest of the things for you. Then we have sites. We have a bunch of features under sites. The very first thing that we will see is the funnel tab. It is basically a page wherein you are trying to promote something and get people to register or sign up for the events or book a call with you and move to the next steps and automatic actions. And I can say these are the landing pages. Next we have websites. You can go to websites tab and click on this plus new website to get started with creating a new website with GoHighLevel. You can enter the name here. You can choose the pre-built templates here. Click on any one of the template to preview. If you like it, continue and check the terms and get this template. Another new feature is this blog tab. Here you can create blog posts with SEO optimized blog editor and insert under a funnel or website page to host your blog. Pretty straightforward. Then we have WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud. That means your website is going to load blazing fast. You must be using a WordPress website already. What you can do is easily migrate to GoHighLevel WordPress host without losing the data. With the membership tab, you can actually create and sell courses with LMS access and give membership for your students. And the dashboards, you can see the stats and the number of students enrolled for your course and how much sales you have made and all of those stuffs. Under the products, you can create digital products. So you can get started with sprint course, short courses to build gateway to memberships, marathon course, train and upskill your audience within your niche, membership, nurture and mentor your network. Or if you wish to build your own course, you can do that by building a custom product that matches your content. And you can create offers and track the analytics. And under settings, you can control the SEO and branding of your site, connect custom domain, email settings, and customize the app experience. All right, next up we have forms builder. As you can see, let me open this. You can add fields by drag and drop method and integrate onto your website. Just choose the desired layout and copy this code and go to your website page editor and add this code to HTML widget. You can see the number of form submission. All right, we have got another interesting feature. This is chat widget. You can create and customize your chat widget and connect it to your WordPress website. Reputation. This is another cool and most useful feature for your business that GoHighLevel has. This lets you to send and receive reviews from your clients or customers. You can set the goals to send. You can set the goals to send review requests, number of reviews received and our rating and all of those stuffs. So for now, listings features is currently available in United States of America. If your business is located there, then you can take advantage of this amazing feature. However, GoHighLevel team is working on extending this feature available for all the countries. Then we have reporting. Finally, we have reporting that lets you connect your Google and Facebook ad account and track the campaign status. Also, you can see the call reporting and appointment report here. That's it, guys. Hope you have found this video useful and interesting. So I encourage you guys to go ahead and leverage your business operations by using GoHighLevel, as it comes with a huge package of business and marketing tools all under one place. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the very first link in the description box below and sign up for a 14-day free trial and experience it. If you like it, you can go ahead and you can make the actual purchase as well. So if this video gets 100 likes, I'm gonna make an in-depth tutorial on all of these modules separately. Please like and share your opinion in the comment section below. As it is a very good software, I would recommend you to go ahead and share it with your friends so that they also take benefit of this GoHighLevel sales and marketing tools. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Peace out.